Today I'm going to show how you can use BBots in Key Stage 2 using a fab resource from TTS. Now you might be thinking that BBots are just for reception or Key Stage 1.
Can't use BBots in Key Stage 2, Mr. Horn. What's he on about? We're meant to use them in reception.
But I'm here to tell you that you can, because this week we received an aerial BBot map, which is a 1 to 10,000 scale Ordnance survey map, and it covers about, I think it's about 2 kilometers squared of your local area, which is very similar to a map that we have on our sort of display wall at school. Using the map and some BBots, I was able to teach a computing lesson, but also mix in some geography, history and knowledge of the local area and some maths as well. So first of all, we had a good look of the map and the children were saying, oh, I live over here, or Mr. Hunt, this is where the shop is, or that's where we go when we go to the park. So it's just so they can sort of familiarise themselves with the map of the local area. Then looking at the map and investigating it, we decided we wanted to send B to the lines, which is like a local sort of park area where the children walk up and down. So we had to remind ourselves, how do we control the BBot? What does each button do? Let's talk about the positions and the directions and all that language we're going to use within this session. And just again, just to familiarise ourselves with how to use the BBots. Then working as a team, they were able to get B to the destination. Then I split the group into 2 teams with 2 different BBots and said, right, you need to get from one end of the map back to school, a race to school. Who can get to school first before the bell goes? Then the children created their own game where they had to challenge each other to get to a certain place on the map first, and they each had a book which they could place on one of the squares to block the route, so they had to then navigate around. As you can see, my Key Stage 2 children had a great time. Can you use BBots in Key Stage 2?
Yes!
Did you enjoy that?
Yes!
Whilst learning skills and knowledge like
Computational thinking,
programming skills,
problem solving,
spatial awareness, collaboration and communication, mathematical skills, understanding technology.
In the description below, I've broken down these skills and knowledge and linked them with the national curriculum. Now this year is a very special year for BBot because it's Bede's 20th birthday.
Happy 20th birthday!
TTS are doing lots of things to celebrate Bede's birthday this year, so keep an eye out for that. Now if you want one of the local area maps or loads of other BBot related resources, head over to TTS using the link in the description below.